I'm making appetizers today, and these recipes are from Allrecipes. And the first one we're starting with is a savory sausage cup. Let's get going, and welcome to Recreate the Plate. First, we're just going to brown a pound of sausage. It's ready. Next, I'm going to combine 8 ounces of cream cheese with 4 ounces, about half the container of just a flavored cream cheese. Like this one is garden herb or garden vegetable, and you could do something that had garlic and herbs in it, or just anything with a flavor in it. And I'm going to soften this in the microwave just a bit. Okay. Now we also just combine in the sausage. That warm sausage will help melt the cream cheese as well. Oh, that smells wonderful. That looks good. One more ingredient, and that's a cup of cheddar cheese. That looks like about a cup to me. I'll measure it. Great, perfect. Just put that right in. Get that combined. Actually, I almost forgot. It also calls for a 1/4 cup of red pepper. I'm going to cut these pretty small since they're going into little mini tins. I don't want it to be very small bites. Now that is pretty. Okay, now we are going to use a crescent sheet, and we're going to roll it out or lay it out and cut it into 24 squares. I got 15. We'll see how that works. I might can make this one. This one's fairly large. We'll cut that one. Some of these are large. Cut those down. Okay, so now what we do, we just put these little squares into the muffin tins. Okay, and then we just put the filling in, which I'm really wanting to try. Looks good. Okay, these go into a 375 oven for about 12 minutes. Oven's not ready. I'm gonna try this. Filling. Oh. I don't even need to bake it. That is so good. It's really good. I'll try to hold off. These look amazing. Look at this. I know they're too hot to try, but mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. These are amazing. You will want to eat the whole tray of these. These are a win. These are a win for sure. Next up is bacon and cheese biscuit balls. Doesn't that sound amazing? I'm going to get the bacon diced up. And I think you could use, if you wanted to use just pre-cooked bacon bits, like real bacon bits, I think that would work fine too. I'm going to go for the real bacon. Okay. And then I'm going to grate about a cup of cheese. This is sharp cheddar. Now you just use regular canned biscuits. And I've got my oven heating to 350. Okay. And I couldn't tell if she was using the grands or not, but that would probably work. We're going to see if these are just the regular size ones. So we'll see how these work. So I'm just going to spread it out, flatten it out. And I'm going to lay it out here. And we're going to put some of the bacon in. With the cheese. Ooh, that looks so good. And then I have some diced tomatoes. Just going to put that right in. You could put anything in here. You could do sausage, egg, tomatoes, onions. Okay, now she just kind of gathered this up to the top and made like a little ball. Might have mine too full. Okay. Okay, so I'm just kind of pinching that up at the top. Well, that's cute. And actually, okay, instead of the cooking oil, I'm actually going to put liners. She used liners. I thought I might do the oil at first, but I'm going to use the liners as well. I think if you don't have liners, you can just spray it. Okay, so then I'm just going to make the little balls and then just drop it right in. It's so cute. Okay, I'm just going to make these up. Oven's ready. I'm filling mine too full. Maybe the next one I'll leave a little room. Still turned out okay. And I'm going to put the seam side down. Okay, we're also going to put a little egg wash on top. Okay, and then we're also going to sprinkle the tops with, I have everything bagel. We're just going to sprinkle some of those right on. Get a little nice little crunch. And these are ready to go in the oven. Oh, these look so good. Did have a little spillage on one of them. I'm going to let them cool and then we'll give them a try. Let's break into one of these. Look how pretty that is. This would definitely be something that my family would enjoy. And they're so cute. I think I would put more like tomato inside. But I can't quit eating it. So good.